There is a battle going on right now between content creators and business vendors or business owners. If you are a business vendor, please sit on my left hand side. And if you're a content creator, please sit on my right hand side. Let's have a very honest conversation to see that we are not the enemy. Let's get right into the video. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this particular video, share, and let's get right into it. As a content creator, tell me your worst case scenario of a negative way you were treated when you went to a business facility. Business facility is that maybe you went to a shop to go and buy something and you were treated differently just because you're a content creator. Let me know in the comment section and let's digest this particular video. Now, there is always a bad vibes or a bad relationship or a weird relationship anytime a content creator comes into a space or comes into a business facility that either seeing you as their enemy or that seeing you as someone that is going to come and take what they already have. But calm down, falabare. You people should calm yourself down because we are not the enemy here. For example, when I went to braid this particular hair, this hair that you're seeing right now, in case you're looking for a place whereby you can braid your hair in Abuja, my hairstylist is the best, okay? She's gonna give you any style for which you want. When I entered her shop the first time this year, what she told me is that, oh ma, thank you so much. Oh, person come. Oh, she said she see my video for your YouTube channel. That's in where they do because anytime I am going to the salon or I'm documenting a vlog, I always film my content. I don't invade in anyone's privacy. I film my content and I move on. I don't need to get anybody in my video. I am filming myself. I am filming the hair that you are making for me, and that ends it. What she said, oh, person come here, she show me the hair where I do for you for that way they carry, because not everyone knows that this particular camera, in case you're asking, I am filming with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo camera. She said that's in what they carry when anytime I come to her shop, that she showed me the video and that she braided hair for her, that I should thank you. Just that one customer for which you have is a huge difference in your business. For example, if you're a business vendor and you are looking for 1 million naira to clear the goods for which you have in the custom, you have 900,000 naira already, and you are looking for ways for which people can buy your market in order for you to raise like 100,000 naira to add to the 900 for which you already have. And a content creator makes a post about a product, or for example, I bought this bubble from a business vendor in Lagos and I make a post, I took a picture, I put it up on my Instagram and I tag that particular business vendor, and someone sees that particular picture and patronizes you through my posts as a content creator, comes for a wholesale deal and buys products worth 200,000 naira. You have gotten 100,000 naira for which you want to add to the 900 for which you already have, which makes it 1 million for you to clear your goods. This customer, you got it from a content creator's post. A business vendor will come and make adverts for her business and normal. I will see that particular post, I will see that particular advert, I will share to my own friend and say, okay, this is the boo that we are looking for, let's patronize this particular vendor. My friend might say, okay, why don't you buy? If the quality is good, I will buy. I bought a bag from a business vendor in Lagos, which is shopray.ng. I bought a bag and a lot of people asked me, oh, where did you get this particular tote bag? Yes, a lot of people bought from that particular business vendor. That is from my own audience. So, notwithstanding other people that are, even if they're not content creators, maybe I must have bought bag. Even if I'm not a content creator, I bought this particular item. I took a picture and posted on my own page. And people see it and say, okay, let me patronize this particular person just because they know me as a content creator. We always go on Instagram and search for, oh, places to shop in Abuja or restaurants to try out in Abuja. Waka Waka Nena and Abuja Tour Guide and odd periods. I always make a mistake whenever I'm calling her name. I will go to their pages to go and search for places that I want to eat in Abuja or restaurant that I should try in Abuja. Those people are content creators that are putting restaurants that are in Abuja in the map, because a lot of people don't have a clue of where to eat in Abuja, and a content creator makes a post just because that content creator have visited there. But anytime we come to your facility or your business, we don't allow picture here, we don't allow video here, we don't do this, we don't do that. We are not the enemy here. Oh. We are not the enemy. Sometimes if we are coming into your facility, it's either I am making video of myself. I am not even videoing you. I have had this encounter when we were traveling. Yes, I just arrived. I just arrived Nigeria. When we were going to Rome, I got to the airport. I was making a video of myself. In as much as I know that this place is not, maybe I am not aware that this place, cameras are not allowed or videos are not allowed. But sometimes we might be making a video, we are only showing ourselves. We're not even showing the people that are around. But I think a lot of people should have creator awareness, what content creation is all about. Anytime you come across that kind of question, there was a day I went to the supermarket and I was making a video. I have finished buying all that I wanted to buy. I dropped my phone. I was showing myself where I was bringing out the products for which I have bought. The cashier asked me, "Oh, why are you filming? What are you doing?" Why are you doing video? For myself, I'm a content creator. I said I am making a video of myself. I am a content creator. I am making a vlog, or I am documenting my life. Educate people on what they need to know, what you are doing, so that they don't feel awkward anytime they are around you. If you see me making a video, "Oh, what are you doing?" I am a content creator. I am documenting my life. I have also made instances on Coco Girl. Coco Girl is a content creator, but she tours around the world. And anytime she goes to the market and people see her, one thing I love about her is that she will always tell you, "Oh, I am a YouTuber. This is my YouTube channel name. Can I show you?" She's already showing you, either in her phone or your phone, her contents for you to know what she's doing. We are not the enemy here. Business vendors always see us as enemy. I know you all have your policy, or maybe one or two things must have gone down the line, or why you don't allow videos in your facility. But if that happened with other content creators, don't use their sin to come and punish us. We all need the visibility for which we can. You as a business vendor, you are doing your business. This content creation I am doing right now is also my business. You do your own. I am even also doing your own business for you, because I am bringing people to come and shop from your shop. I am bringing people to come and buy items from you just because I went there. Please, if I have advertised anything here and you have bought, let me know in the comment section. A lot of people get influenced by buying a particular item just because we have put it out there. You people should stop seeing us as your enemy. You are supposed to get married with us, business vendors and content creators, husband and wife. May I know you?
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
But no, you are fighting us in a try. You are fighting us up and down. We don't do anything to you. Every time we come to you, you always say, "You are doing like this for us. We not collect anything from you. You are doing your business. We are doing our business." I know there are some content creators that can go overboard with the way for which they film. But if you see others that are minding their business, doing their content in their own way, in their own space, let them be. Appreciate them. The only way for which you can appreciate a content creator, if you are not a content creator, I really applaud those that are watching our content. Thank you guys so much for always watching and for always buying one thing or the other for which you have put out there. You always deem it fit to support, patronize those business vendors that we have put out there. I really appreciate you people, because if something go haywire, na us una know, but nothing go haywire. May I not influence any brand and something happened? God, I beg you. So, Biko, if you're a business vendor, even if you're not a business vendor, and you're watching this particular video, and you know any business vendor that usually do this, maybe you have been in his or her presence and she does this, please educate the person more on what content creation is all about, or what we do as content creators. And if you're an influencer, keep doing your job, keep putting your market out there. If you're a content creator, keep creating your content in your own way. Don't invade anybody's privacy. Everybody will definitely be all right. That confidence that we are looking for to start filming, my brother, my sister, if I get that confidence, it's all over for you people, because I'm going to carry you people to the moon.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Amen.
If I'm going on the water, I'm going to carry you people. Don't worry, if I'm walking on the water, I'm going to carry you people. The kind of editing I have in my head, Mr. Beast never even do them. Mr. Beast, he never do them. So, business vendors, you people should calm down. Falabare. Content creators also calm down. Falabare. I always feel awkward, or I just lose the mojo for which I have started that particular vlog with. Anytime I go to a business facility and it is boldly written, we don't allow pictures here, we don't allow videos here. What is the reason why you are not allowing pictures and videos? They can't even say a reasonable explanation. We are not invading your privacy. You can only say that we are invading your privacy or causing a nuisance. Maybe we want to do video. We are coming in the middle of the road. People, when they do video in the middle of the road, they try you. You can only say that we are causing a nuisance maybe when we are invading other people's privacy, or maybe when we are just doing something out of normal from what we are not supposed to be doing. That is when you can say that we are invading other people's privacy and we are not supposed to be filming here. But you people should calm down with us. Calm down. We are here to put your business on the map. I am here to put your business on the map. If you get visibility and you tell me thank you, I should come and influence for you, it's a win-win. I win, you win. There are a lot of people that their job lies on this content creation. Nobody say that they make anything from it though. They will go to markets like this. Maybe anywhere that they buy something, they will tell you, okay, this is where I usually buy my thing. You will go there and go buy. Even you as a business vendor, there are still so many places that you haven't explored or even been to. Just because a content creator showed this is the place for which you can get, maybe you are in the UK and you have been looking for where to buy African food stuff. Someone must have stumbled on that particular shop, filmed a particular video about it and said, okay, this is where I buy my African food stuff, ship African food stuffs in the UK. You might not have known that place, and a content creator puts it out there. So you people should know that content creators are not the enemy. No, you people should go and chase the scammers that are creating different page with your business name and collecting money from people. We are not the enemy here. No, we are not the enemy. Stop fighting us. So, because if you're a business vendor and you have been having this mindset that content creators are the enemy, I know there are one or two reasons why you don't allow videos or pictures in your shop. Maybe. I don't know why. But don't use the sin of others and punish somebody that meant well for you. If I'm coming into your shop, it's either I'm making a video of myself or I am filming a particular item that I have bought. That is what a content creator might be doing. I try as much as possible not to get anyone's face whenever I am filming my video. Even if I get anyone's face, I blow it out. There is something called reasonable content creation and there is something called reasonable filming. If I bring up my camera like this and there are people at my back, I either make use of the cinematic feature to remove those at my back. There are people that maybe their face will just show some. It didn't even stay up to 1 second. It just showed. That one is understandable, but not when you are showing a particular item and someone is showing on your video, you are not trying to move your camera or you're filming out of that person's face. It's on their face. That is what I find offensive. So, Biko, you people should be coming down with us. We are not the enemy. Everyone needs the visibility for which they can get. If I'm giving you visibility, I am also building a facility. I am also building a facility. I am also building my brand and also pushing my content out there. Because if they ask you as a business vendor, oh, which influencer can you recommend for us? You can call me. Because you know that I have filmed video in your shop or I have shown what I have bought from you and other people have bought from you. You will call me definitely and say, okay, this lady buy from me. Since then, people have been buying from me. That is what you need as a business vendor. Every other thing, don't worry about it. Now, our market, they sell. I am also selling my market to tell other brands that will reach out to me, okay, I can do this, I can do that. Everybody, that is it. Anyway, that is the battle that I have come to tell you. This world will enter us all. As you are doing your business, I am also doing, because content creation is my business. Filming content is my business. Because na im be my, if I have my 9 to 5 job, if I have my business, content creation is also my, I will even say is my second source of income, or even my first self. So Biko, Ezio, I beg you people, let's calm down and take it easy with each other. Oh please, we are not the enemy here. We are only trying to push your business out there. As you are pushing out your business, we are also pushing out our own business. Okay? So tell me your worst case scenario of how you have been treated as a content creator in anywhere that you have been to. Let's discuss, and know that this video is just for content creation awareness. It is not to spite anybody. It is not to talk bad about anybody or talk down on anybody. This is just my honest opinion, and it's also a honest conversation that I am having with you guys. Tell me ways for which you feel that content creators are doing bad. Of course, we can learn from the comment section. And tell me ways for which you have been treated badly from a business vendor. Let me know in the comment section, because I have had some of my worst case scenarios. Market vlogs, you will really see a lot if you go into the market. And on that note, we have come to the end of this particular video. And if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. I really appreciate you as a viewer that is viewing. God bless you. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, my light has off since. Hey, this light, you know, they last though. Eh? Has it been long you off? Hey, Asabe.